driver of the red car cut off the road for the biker, which greatly annoyed him. The biker was pulled over on the highway by a police officer because, in his opinion, the biker was breaking the rules by riding on yellow lines. Additionally, the biker was speeding. Fortunately, the police officer turned out to be understanding, and it didn't result in a severe penalty.
Oh, you scared me.
Because you ride like
I'm sorry.
You're a terrible rider, dude. You're gonna get killed. Alright? I got you at 99 miles an hour splitting traffic. That's reckless. Okay? You got a flashing yellow light on the back. That's illegal. You got illegal exhaust. You're all over the carpool line. You can't ride on that line. There's a lot of things I can let go. You never checked your mirrors. Never. I've been behind you since Via Princesa. Did you even see me?
I've been checking. I swear.
You're not checking good because I was right on you to see if you would look. That just goes to show you're not paying attention.
No, I swear, I'm not lying.
I don't believe you didn't see me if you didn't check good.
Yeah.
Period. Get your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah. Oh. License. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
My insurance is, here's a picture of it.
Okay, we're good. You got the registration?
Sorry?
You got the registration for the bike?
Yeah. Yeah, I live right here.
Where you going?
Pacoima.
Okay.
Pacoima.
Let me ask you something. Honest
Yes.
answer. Because it doesn't matter. I didn't see you do it. When you take the transition to the 5,
Yes.
and there's traffic, you usually ride on the shoulder on this?
Yes.
Illegal.
Okay.
Okay? Totally illegal. Not only that, here's the worst part about that. All of them, can a car do that?
Sorry?
Is it okay for a guy in a car to do that?
No.
Then why is it okay for you to do it?
I'm like, again, I'm sorry, you know,
I'm
yeah.
trying to educate you here, that's all.
So
if a car can't do it, how come you can do it?
So here's the thing, at first I wouldn't do it, and the other day
You saw a cop do it and you followed him?
Yeah.
Do you have the same radio I have? Do you know where I'm going right now?
No.
Okay, do you have lights and sirens on your bike?
No. Okay.
So you can't do stuff like that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Here's the thing. All these people in cars, they don't like the fact that we can get through traffic fast.
Yeah.
You do something like that, you're a rolling billboard. You're making all bikers look bad.
Yeah.
Okay? They vote. If they want to take away the privilege for us to split lanes, they can.
Okay.
They see stuff like that, that's what they're going to vote. Because they're already not happy about the fact that we can beat traffic.
Yeah.
That's only a quarter mile, dude. Plus, if they drift over onto the shoulder and they hit you, whose fault is it?
Mine.
Right. And where do you keep your spare tire? You don't, right?
Yeah.
You're going to pick up a nail.
Yeah.
You're going to get a flat. That's where all the debris goes. It's just not safe for you to be there.
Okay.
Okay, and it looks really, really bad.
Okay.
So I was gonna follow you, see if you did it, and then write you for that, because I don't give everybody a break on that.
Yeah.
So, but you're a gentleman, you stop, dude, you gotta slow down.
I'm sorry.
At 99 miles an hour is unacceptable.
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Absolutely unacceptable.
Well,
you're gonna get killed.
Yeah. Well, won't do it again. I swear. If you
you will. Don't make that promise.
No, right.
It's gonna happen. Listen, it's human nature. You're gonna do it again. But please, just try to be more cognizant.
Okay.
And when you're splitting, check your mirrors really, really good.
Okay.
Tuck in. Because I saw you saying thank you to people that moved over for you, but you got to tuck in, because if there's somebody behind you that wants to ride like an idiot, maybe rides faster than you, splits better than you, let him go.
That's why I swear I'm not lying to you.
I believe you're looking, but you didn't look good enough.
Yeah.
I was right behind you.
Oh, wow.
And I even moved side to side so you can see me. You're not looking. You're not paying enough attention.
Yeah.
Okay. The mirrors are just as important as what's in front of you. All right.
Okay.
You got any questions for me?
No, well, you won't catch me doing that right here.
Maybe not right here. Give me a couple of weeks and I will. All right.
Well, what areas do you cover here? And
that's a secret. I don't tell nobody. I'm very good at sneaking.
When you came up right next to me, I was like, oh God! Like I thought you were one of those. You know the in and out, right?
Yeah.
There's a stop sign at the end.
Yeah.
There's always two that hang out there in the morning, and they weren't there today. So I was like, that's kind of weird. And then when you pulled me, I was like, oh, is he following me? Like, what did he? Yo!
While riding at a high speed on one wheel, the biker lost control of the motorcycle and suffered significant injuries as a result.
Fra. Calma.
Va bene?
Calma, non c'è nulla, tranquillo. Solo le scoriazioni in caso. Ma che cazzo hai fatto? Mi sono sentito pure io toccare dietro. Tranquillo, fra. Muovi tutto, lascia stare la pelle e le cose.
Però dimmi che sto bene dietro,
Sì, tranquillo. Non è nulla, tranquillo. Osta, dico cose tutte a posto.
Sì. Mi si è chiusa la moto, cioè io sono entrato dietro.
Ma infatti io mi sono sentito tipo scolettare una volta. Stai calmo, fra. Siediti, fermi. Sì, è a posto. Fra, calmo, non è un cazzo. Tranquillo. No, è scorazione per fortuna, niente di... Fra, fermati, siediti!
Guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in next episode.